to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. So in today's lesson, we are going to see how we can create and combine different views. Okay, so actually what we are going to create is this design, okay, which uses a map view in behind, and in front of you have a nice picture with a rounded circle, okay, and you have the name of the place. Okay, cool. So we are going to create a new Xcode project, so you can launch your Xcode. Okay, we're going to create a new Xcode project. Here you're going to select, as usual, single view app. Okay, then you're going to enter a name for your app. So I'm going to call it landmarks. Okay, Paris, EN. Select SwiftUI in the user interface section. Okay, and click next. Choose a location to save the landmarks project on your Mac. Okay, just like that. In the project navigator, click to select content view.swift. Okay, by default, SwiftUI view files declare two structures. The first structure conforms to the view protocol, okay, and describes the view's content and layout. The second structure declares a preview for that view. Okay, so you can click on resume to display the preview. If the canvas isn't visible, select editor. Then I think just canvas. Okay, cool, to show it. So inside the property, the body property, change hello world to a new text, so which will be the Arc de Triomphe, which is a well-known monument in France, in Paris. Okay, just press enter. Okay, cool. As you change the code in the view's body property, the preview updates to reflect your changes. Okay, just like that. And choose show SwiftUI inspector. Okay, use the inspector to change the font style, okay, to title, and the font color to red, just like that. Okay, cool. Beyond the title view we created, we'll add text views to contain details about the landmark, such as the name of the place and the country it's in. Okay, so in this section we'll use a vertical stack to place the title above a horizontal stack that contains details about the place. Okay, so command click the text view, views initializer, okay, to show the structured editing popover, and then choose embed in vstack, just like that. Okay, next we'll add a text view to the stack by dragging a text view from the library. Okay, just like that. So replace the text views placeholder with the address of the Arc de Triomphe. So you're going to write Place Charles de Gaulle just like that. Okay, we're going to customize the location to match the desired layout. Okay, so we're going to set the location's font to subheadline. Okay, just like that. Cool. So now we're going to edit the VStack initializer to align the views by their leading edges. Okay, so here we're going to select VStack, show SwiftUI inspector, and select this one. Cool. By default, stacks center their contents along their axis and provide context appropriate spacing. Okay. Next, we'll add another text view to the right of the location for the monuments. Now, even in your code, command click on the address, just like that, and choose embed in add stack. Okay, cool. So now add a new text view after the location. Okay, just like that. And change the placeholder text to the monument's country, which is France for our concern, and then set its font to subheadline. Okay, so here you can write France. Okay. Okay, here I'd like to add the flag of France, so press Control Command space, and here we're going to add this flag. Okay, cool. Here we're going to change its font style to subheadline. Okay, just like that. Perfect. To direct the layout to use the full width of the device, separate the address and the country by adding a spacer. Okay, here to the horizontal stack, holding the two text views, just like that. Okay, cool. A spacer expands to make its containing view use all of the space of its parent view instead of having its size defined only by its contents. Okay, so finally use the padding modifier method to give the landmark's name and details a little breathing room. Okay, so here cool, just like that. So now we are going to create a custom image view with name and location views all set. The next thing to do is to add an image for the landmark. Instead of adding more code in this file, we'll create a custom view that applies a mask, border, and drop shadow to the image. Okay, start by adding an image to the project's asset catalog. You will find Arc de Triomphe.jpg in the project files resources folder, okay, which is in the link below the video. Drag it into the assets catalog, just like that. Xcode creates a new image set for the image. Cool. Next, we'll create a new SwiftUI view for our custom image view. So choose File, New File, okay. To open the template selector again in the user interface section, click to select SwiftUI view and click Next. Name the file circle image.swift and click Create. Now we are ready to insert the image and modify its display to match the desired design. Okay, so replace the text view with the image of the arc de triomphe by using the image initializer. Okay, so here you can write arc de triomphe. Cool. So add a call to clip shape.circle. Okay, to apply the circular clipping shape to the image. Cool. The circle type is a shape that you can use as a mask or as a view by giving the circle a stroke or fill. Okay, so we are going to create another circle with a gray stroke and then add it as an overlay to give the image a border. Okay, so here click again on image and then select here overlay, just like that. Okay, and here you're going to create circle just like that, dot stroke. Here color dot gray. Okay, and line width will be 4. Okay, cool. Next, add a shadow with a 10-point radius. So here shadow. Okay, just like that. Cool. Switch the border color to white now, just like that. This completes the image view. Okay, so now we are ready to create a map view. So we can use the MKMapView class from MapKit to render the map. Okay, to get started, we'll create a new custom view that can present an MKMapView. Okay, so new file, SwiftUI view here, and name the new file MapView. Okay, just like that. Okay, and click create. Then add an import statement for MapKit. Okay, and declare here UI view representable conformance for the map view type. Okay, UI view representable, just like that. Don't worry about the error that Xcode displays. We'll fix that in the next few steps. So the UI view representable protocol has two requirements you need to add. Okay, so the first one so we are going to delete the body property. Okay, and create make UI view. Okay, just like that. Here you can write context. Okay, and here MKMapView, just like that. Okay, and here you can write MKMapView frame.0. So replace the body property with a MakeUIView method that creates and returns an empty MKMapView. Okay, next create an updateUI method. View. Okay, with again here the context. This method sets the map view's region to the correct coordinates to center the map on the Arc de Triomphe. Okay, so here we can write let coordinate is equal to CLL location coordinate 2D with a latitude and a longitude. Okay, so here you are going to write this coordinate, and here this one. Cool. Then let span is equal to MK coordinate span. Okay, with the latitude delta that will be 0.01, okay, and here the same. Cool. Then let region is equal to MK coordinate region with this one. Okay, coordinate, and here span. Then UI view dot set region, no, not this one, just like that. True. Cool. So when previews are, so now we're going to launch our canvas and see if it works. When previews are in static mode, they only fully render SwiftUI views. Because MKMapView is a UI view subclass, you'll need to switch to a live preview to see the map. So here we're going to click on play to see the map. Cool. Okay, now we're going to create our detail view. So now we have all of the components we need: the name and place, a circular image, and a map for the location. With the tools we've used so far, we're going to combine our custom views to create the final design for the landmark detail view. Okay, so in the project navigator, select the content view.swift file. Okay, embed a vstack that holds the three text views in another vstack. Okay, here. Just like that. Here we're going to give it another alignment. Okay, here map view, just like that. Okay, dot frame. I think I'm going to write just like that. Maybe it will work. Yes, it works. Okay. So when we specify only the height parameter, the view automatically sizes to the width of its content. In this case, map view expands to fill the available spaces. Okay. So click the live preview button to see the render map in the composed view. Okay, we can continue editing the view while showing a live preview. Okay, so we are going to add the circle image view to the stack. So circle image. Cool. To to layer the image view on top of the map view, give the image an offset of minus 130 points vertically and padding of minus 130 points from the bottom of the view. So here we can write offset, okay. Minus 130 points, and here you can write padding, this one, okay, dot bottom, and here minus 130. Cool. Add a spacer at the bottom of the outer vstack to push the content to the top of the screen. Okay. Finally, we allow the map content to extend here to the top edge of the screen at the edges, ignoring safe area modifier to the map view. Okay, so I'm going to try just like that. To the top. Cool. No, sorry, the spacer wasn't there, okay, but rather there. Ta-da! So we have finished our design. So as you can see, it's very nice. So that's all for today's lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye bye.